Hey guys, how you going? We just wanted to make a quick video for you to just share with you our new studio update. Check this out, man. Look, we have made a couple videos in this, but we have not done it publicly yet. And so we are sharing with you the cool props that we have in this place. So we're gonna give you the background behind why we've chosen these props. And you're gonna be very surprised on the deep thought we had behind it.
Very deep.
So this is our first one. It's a Stormtrooper. We got it because it looked cool.
That was the last one we got.
That's how deep it is. that's about as deep as I'm gonna go. All right, our second prop that we got. Our second prop that we had pulled out, we went to Morley Galleria and we found a Thor hammer. And we thought this was so cool. Supposedly, it lights up and makes sounds and stuff, which we're gonna have a find out right now.
It's no batteries.
Do we have batteries?
Moments later.
What about those?
Double A batteries are required. I brought triples just in case for something else. Okay.
You know, you could use AAA's on a AA slot, but you need aluminum foil.
Why?
I'm joking.
Why would I? Okay. So, we just put some batteries in this thing, first time. So, let's see what it does. You see that? It lights up blue. I am not worthy. It makes thunder sounds. $200 this thing. Wow, such a prop. Made from China. So, the main reason we got this is because supposedly if you say, I am worthy, I am not worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy? Ooh. Okay, cool. Supposedly it would light up and make sounds and stuff, but it looks like it only makes sounds if you move it. So I'm just gonna turn that off. The reason why we thought we'd just get it is because the idea is we thought, let's get props into this room that just look cool and fun and just a bit interesting. Absolutely nothing to do with e-commerce and logistics, just because it's boys with toys, and that's why it's here. You too could buy this hammer for the low price of $199. Okay, we got a Captain America shield. Not because we're patriotic or any way like that, but just because it looks so cool. And you know what's even cooler is because we're such practical people here at Keepspace, we didn't just want to get a shield just for the fact that we'd have a shield. We wanted to get a backpack. So this thing is an actual backpack you can put on your back. And most likely it will be more useful this way to go around town and just walk around so people can see how cool this looks. We got a little Captain America shield. There isn't a lot of space in this thing, but practically, at least it serves more than one purpose of self-defense. It's actually got like it's actually pretty decent size. You can put a lot of stuff in there and mix it about. So I mean, personally, I think it's pretty cool. Will I ever use it? Nah, it's just gonna live there on the shelf. But probably when my kids get a little bit older and we're ready for some new props, it'll become their school bag, probably. And they're gonna look like the coolest kids in town. Even the straps are pretty good. Like, it's a really nice straps. So, I mean, it's pretty boss. Anyway, that's our third prop. For our next prop is our vase. vase. We got this from the side of a road. It was super cool. We thought we'd get this. Actually, no, we didn't get it from the side of the road. Where was this from?
My house.
Oh, sorry. So one of our greatest team members, Ian, had brought this as a donation until returned, a vase with some cool little
Fake.
ornaments in it. It's super fake. It's plastic. You can't eat it, like spinach. But the idea is to create some greenery. We also have another one in the back corner there. We just wanted to give this place a bit of a neutrality, so that yes, we do have some boys' toys, but we also got a couple other props in. And the final prop. We have a iMac that does work when it's turned on, but we thought, let's put it in the corner because then it looks like we're doing some work, but it's quite clear there is no power slot in there. When we do different presentations, we do use this computer to be able to use the screen on, and you will see us doing different presentations with this screen showing like stuff. What kind of stuff? Like websites, tutorials on different systems, marketing pieces that we do, and we use this screen as the layout screen of what we're doing the screenshot with, so that way it's mixed in with the videos that we're working with here. So this currently is our studio that we're working with. It also works as a dual studio where we have it as a podcast breakdown. And what we do is we take this board we bought from Bunnings for like $400 or something. It's pretty big. It's something you'd normally get to buy to put in your kitchen dining area, and you'd like turn this into your kitchen thing. And we thought, let's use it as just a table without the legs. We got pallets underneath this thing, and then we just rotate it. So literally one of us is standing here, the other person is standing on the other side, and we do a presentation. So it's super versatile, very, very nice to use. Thank you, Bunnings, for giving it to us. Okay, so what else we have in this studio is the lights. You may not see them right now, but I ain't gonna move them. We have a big honeybee light. We've got some small natural lights here on the side. We've got a big vertical rectangle honeybee light. So with the lights on this place, the props in the background, and this new desk, it's giving us the opportunity to really get out there, create more content for the market, for e-commerce, for online support, and of course to talk about logistics in a bit of a cooler way. So we will be having more presentations here to be able to share with you about updates, what's going on with different things we're doing here at Keepspace, just so you guys can like be in the loop and what's cracking. So thanks so much for checking out our new studio. I hope you liked our new props. And if you do have products, we've even been thinking about the idea of promoting and seeing other people's business products that they have here at the warehouse and just bringing them in for a conversation. Would love to get any feedback if you'd like to know if that's something you want to see. And if so, put it in the comments below. Let us know. Have a great day. See you later.